Utilizing keywords in a large library can be a great way to manage or locate photos and videos. Keywords can be added to the selected image or images from our info window. With multiple items selected, we can add one or more keywords to all of them at once. So for these two photos, I'm going to add the keyword eclipse. This is a new keyword that I'm creating here from the info window. Next, I'm going to select a bunch of photos that were taken in Yellowstone and add the keyword National Park. Notice that as I begin typing, the keyword autofills for me. This is because National Park is already saved as a keyword. This brings us to the Keyword Manager, which can be opened from the Window menu or by using the shortcut Command K. In here we see all the keywords that are currently in use in this library. If I select an image in the library that has a keyword applied, that keyword is highlighted here in Keyword Manager. Click on Edit Keywords, and we can add or remove keywords from this list. I'll click the Add button and add the keyword lake. Click OK, and now we can apply this keyword to any selected images by just clicking on it here in Keyword Manager. Across the top, we have a quick group of keywords. These all have shortcuts applied. We can add a keyword to this group by dragging it up here. Doing that, assign the road trip keyword the R key as a shortcut. Now when the Keyword Manager is open and I select an image and hit the R key, the road trip keyword is automatically assigned. Click Edit Keywords and we can assign a shortcut to any keyword or edit our current shortcuts. Assigning A for the Alaska keyword adds the keyword to the Quick Group section. If I drag in the lake keyword, it gets assigned the shortcut K because L and A are already used. Using shortcuts with the Keyword Manager window open makes it really easy to move through our images and quickly apply keywords. Another thing that I like to do with keywords is add a star rating system into photos. So I'm going to add 1 star through 5 star as keywords. Each will get the shortcut 1 to 5. We can now apply a rating keyword to any photo or video in the library. Once keywords are applied, we can then search for them. Just enter a keyword here and any photos assigned it will appear in those search results. We can even do a search for multiple keywords. I'll try 4 star and National Park, which shows our photos with both those keywords applied. So using keywords is one of the best ways in photos to keep your library organized and easily searchable.